In this video, I compare the video quality of the Insta360 ONE X2 and the Insta360 ONE R and determine which delivers the better results. In order to create a fair comparison, I made the following settings. On the ONE R, I used the 360 module. I installed the latest firmware on both cameras. I set the resolutions to 5.7K at 30 FPS. And I set the video codec to H.265. All the comparison videos you see now are taken raw out of the cameras. I have not made any color adjustments or sharpening. I just used the Reframe Plugin in Adobe Premiere to display defined sections of the recorded 360 videos. The first shot is a standard video, where I walked slowly forward. You can notice a slight difference in the colors. Here is another short walking scene in the woods. The green areas show that the ONE X2 is giving you stronger colors. This shot is another good example for the color comparison. Both cameras deliver good results, but they are slightly different. In this shot I zoomed in 150% to take a closer look. The Insta360 ONE X2 video provides a little more details than the ONE R video. This is clearly visible in this comparison. Here I zoomed in 200% to see the details. To compare this again, I zoomed into the distance. Here you can clearly see that the ONE X2 delivers a sharper image. This comparison shows a split screen. Here is another split screen comparison, but this time in poor lighting conditions. By zooming in 300%, you can clearly see some image noise. The last shot is a video codec comparison. These conditions are pretty bad for recording. Low light, a complex environment and fast movements. I think both cameras are handling it quite well. In summary, the Insta360 ONE X2 provides a slightly better image than the Insta360 ONE R. But you really have to emphasize the word slightly. Both models are great 360 cameras, and I can highly recommend them. In the video description you find Gimbal Guru offer links for both cameras. Check them out and get your Insta360 ONE X2 or ONE R now. I hope the video was helpful and gave you a good overview. If you want to learn more about 360 cameras, video editing, gimbals and much more, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. I see you in the next video.